Hi, my name is Jason and I am a Shiva Murti healer. Shiva Murti is an ancient Balinese healing modality. It's rooted in Hinduism with a direct connection to divine healing energy. It heals a variety of physical ailments and pain. Bali is known for its master healers. When I first went to Bali, I was a little nervous to meet Ratu Nabe. But he's an incredible being filled with so much light. He's this big guy like a Buddha and super jolly and always laughing. So we would stay in his temple every day and learn to do this amazing work.
Kidney.
Iya.
Jura pembuluh darah di blok ya. Makanya ini menyebabkan tensi ya.
There are two blockades in your back.
Iya, kok ya.
You check. Okay.
Check first.
Yeah. Yes, okay. Yeah. Just clear.
I have a daily practice that connects me to these energies. It includes meditation, a specific chant, a practice called firing up that pulls the energy up through my chakras and spine and then out through my hands, eyes, and mouth. It's like I'm a cord that's plugged into the socket of this deep healing energy. It comes through me and into you to cause the treatment of the pain or ailment. During a Shiva Murti session, different points on the body will be tested for energy blocks, similar to meridian theory in shiatsu or acupuncture. When these blocks are discovered, the Shiva Murti energy is employed to move the energy out. When these blocks are removed and clear energy can flow back in is when the healing takes place and all the pain and ailments can be eliminated. Shiva Murti also works through distance. I can do a distance healing with just a photograph. Energy is energy and it knows where to go. All I need is a full body clothed photo, front and back, and I can work on you from anywhere in the world. It's so exciting and I feel honored that I get to bring and share this new modality into America.